Hey everyone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is here, sleek, powerful and expensive. And let's be honest, that foldable display might just be the coolest thing in your pocket right now. So the real question is, how do you protect a phone like this without turning it into a tank? In this video, we are going over the 9 best cases for the Z Fold 7. From slim and stylish to rugged and ready for anything. So you can get all links in the description. Let's dive in. If you want something functional and protective, the Sixbox wallet case is a great pick. It's got a hidden card slot, a sliding camera cover, and even hinge protection. Plus, it comes with an HD screen protector included. The design is sleek and secure, though it's not wireless charging friendly, perfect if you are always on the go and want to carry less. And it won't break the bank either. It's priced at $36.99. For minimalists, check out the Makavo Slim case. It has a clean matte finish, full hinge protection, and comes with screen protectors for both front and back. One of its slickest features is the automatic sliding hinge cover that moves when you open the phone. It supports wireless charging and keeps your fold pocket friendly. All of this just $29.99, making it a solid budget-friendly option. Need more durability? The VRS-designed Terra Guard case brings the rugged vibes. It's tough, shock absorbent, and has a reinforced spring-loaded hinge protector. It also features a built-in kickstand and a magnetic plate compatible with MagSafe mounts. It's definitely bulkier but ideal if you are accident-prone or just prefer extra security. This one's priced at $49.99, which feels fair given the protection it offers. Want something premium? The TORRAS magnetic case is built for protection and style. With magnetic shockproof tech, ultra-durable German polycarbonate, and support for MagSafe charging, this case for serious users, it's one of the more expensive picks at $79.99. But you are paying for quality, strength, and future-proof features. Another winner from Sixbox is the 360 protection case, which slims down the hinge bulge by 25%. It's lightweight, ultra slim, and includes an HD screen protector for extra scratch resistance. If you are looking for everyday defense that doesn't compromise the fold's design, this one fits well. Price-wise, it comes at almost $33. If you want to show off the Z Fold design, the Ninki transparent case gives you full visibility with total protection. It has hinge covered, a built-in kickstand, and anti-yellowing coating to keep it looking clean. Plus, it's wireless charging compatible, it's simple, functional, and priced just right at $33.99. The Tucch leather wallet case gives you hard slots, RFID protection, and a folio design that doubles as a kickstand. The PU leather is soft and durable, and the magnetic closure keeps it secure in your bag or pocket. It's ideal for business or travel. You get all this utility for just $30.99. For those who want real leather, the Shieldon wallet case is made of oil wax cowhide for that premium hand feel. It includes RFID protection, precise cutouts, and a slim folio profile. Over time, the leather develops a natural patina, so it looks better the more you use it. Price? A reasonable $39.99 for something that feels this premium. Last up in the RAPTIC Aramid fiber case, and this one all about high performance materials. Aramid fiber in 5 times stronger than steel and lighter than plastic. It's only 1.2 mm thick but still protects your fold with MagSafe compatibility and excellent grip. Perfect for minimalists who want cutting-edge protection. This futuristic option is priced at $55. So there you go, 9 amazing cases for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, each tailored to different needs, styles, and budgets. Whether you are a power user, a minimalist, or something who just robs their phone too often, there is something on this list for you. Which one are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech breakdowns. Goodbye.